Shalom, y'all. Welcome back to another Yaffa and Arts video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're doing oatmeal energy buns, and this is just what you will need. One half cup of brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 handful of cranberries, 2 cups of peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a cup of water. And here I was trying to mix it while holding the camera, so I'm gonna have to let somebody take over the camera for me. But basically you're just mixing it up well until it all combines. And next you want to drizzle some honey on there. I didn't really measure that, just honey to taste. And just mix that honey in really good. And this is how it should look after you stir the honey in. So what I'm doing now is measuring out some of it and rolling it into balls to put it into Ziploc bags. And yeah, that's what you're doing now. You can make them as big or as small as you want, depending on what you like. But this is the size I have. In the freezer to freeze. The recipe that I'm giving you make about 44 buns.
This is my Yaffa. Will you make the Yaffa?
I'm making energy buns. And now you put them in the freezer to get them firm, so that you'll be able to grab them and bite them.